Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Litecoin on Luno. Now, the first step I'd like you to take, of course, is to launch your Luno app. So go ahead and launch your Luno app icon to open it. Now, once you launch it, enter your email and password, authenticate with PIN, or use biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID. To buy Litecoin, you need funds in your Luno local currency wallet. Go ahead and tap the portfolio icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you verified your account, then you should have been able to set up your local currency wallet. So, select your local currency wallet from this window. For example, NGN, ZAR, MYR. Then tap Deposit. Follow the on-screen instructions to deposit funds using bank transfer, card payment, or other region-specific methods. Once your deposit reflects, then you're ready to buy. Now go ahead and click on Explore tab, and once you click on the Explore tab at the bottom, you can just go ahead and select Buy a Coin. Click Explore and select Buy a Coin. Now, once you click on Buy a Coin, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see a couple of coins. Now, from the options, just go ahead and select Litecoin, which is LTC, from the list. On the Litecoin page, go ahead and tap Buy. Another way is go to the home page, select Home, head over here, click on Add to List, and the network is not favorable at the moment, but once you select Add to List, it's going to take you to a window where you see a couple of list of coins. Now from there, just go ahead and select Litecoin rather, and once you click on Litecoin, it's going to take you to the Litecoin page. All right, so once it takes you to the Litecoin page, just go ahead and tap Buy. Now choose how much you want to purchase. You can type in a specific amount in your local currency or switch to enter amount in Litecoin. Luno asks where to draw funds from. Go ahead and select Wallet. This uses the balance in your local currency wallet. Then tap Next to continue. You'll now see a full summary, including the amount of Litecoin you receive, the current exchange rates, transaction fees, typically around 1%, but may vary slightly, and your total cost. To double check all the details, then tap Confirm. To complete your purchase, Luno will ask for your PIN or biometric confirmation. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed instantly, and you receive a success message and a receipt of the purchase. Then tap the Portfolio tab again, then select Litecoin Wallet to view your updated balance. You can now hold, send, or convert your Litecoin within the app. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.